Today we'll talk about how can you find replace or your replace on your Bluesky app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click on your profile, on your photo profile here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on replace, you just click on it. So when you click here on replace, then here you will find all replace you have in this list. Like you see here, I have not replace yet, but if you have it here in this list, it's going to show for you on your Bluesky app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.